Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to Astrify. It's time to let go of the heavy worries weighing you down. It's time to relax your grip, releasing the stress that's been holding you back. So, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now, bring your awareness to your body, starting from the top of your head. Slowly scan down through your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine releasing that tension, allowing it to melt away. Continue to scan down through your body, paying close attention to each part: your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, relaxing deeper and deeper with each breath. As you move down through your neck, shoulders, and arms, feel any tension melting away, leaving you feeling light and free. Now, bring your awareness to your chest and abdomen. Feel the rise and fall of your breath, the gentle rhythm of life flowing through you. Move your attention down through your hips, thighs, and legs, releasing any remaining tension as you go down. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into relaxation. Take a moment to simply be present in your body, feeling the sensation of calm and tranquility washing over you. Now, shift your focus to gratitude. Think about all the good things that you're grateful for, big or small. It could be the people you love, the experiences you've had, or even the simple joys of everyday life. With each breath, allow yourself to feel a sense of deep appreciation for these blessings. Let gratitude fill your heart and soul, uplifting you and filling you with warmth and joy. Finally, take a moment to trust in the universe. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, and that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Trust that the universe is guiding you, supporting you, and leading you towards resolution and growth, even in the face of challenges and difficulties. Now, take a few more deep breaths, feeling the peace and serenity that comes with trusting in the infinite wisdom of the universe. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes and carry this sense of relaxation, gratitude, and trust with you as you go about your day. And remember that you are deeply loved, supported, and guided by the universe every step